How to trade spot on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap the middle button, denoted by two arrows, to access the trading options. Here you will see buy, sell and convert buttons. Select the option depending on what you want to do. This option allows you to trade cryptocurrencies at the current market price. To buy crypto, tap buy, choose the cryptocurrency you want like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount in your currency or crypto units. Review the estimated fees and total amount, then tap buy to complete the transaction. To sell crypto, tap sell, select the cryptocurrency and the amount you want to sell, review the fees and tap sell to execute the trade. The convert option allows you to instantly swap one cryptocurrency for another, such as converting Bitcoin to Ethereum or USDT. Simply select a crypto pair, enter the amount and confirm the conversion. After completing any of these actions, you can check your activity tab to see trade history, open orders and completed transactions. This interface makes spot trading simple and convenient for both beginners and experienced users. Now you know how to trade spot on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.